In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enhance efficiency with the Custom Field Manager in Clickup. To begin, make sure you are in your Clickup workspace and looking at the main overview area of a space. This is a good starting point because it gives you quick access to workspace tools and settings without needing to open a specific task. Next, use the search at the top and type the word highlight. As you type, Clickup will narrow down what you can access, which saves time when you are trying to locate a specific setting. This is especially helpful in larger workspaces where options can be spread across multiple menus. From the results, click Field Manager. This opens the Custom Field Manager, which is where you can centralize how custom fields are created and maintained. Managing fields from one place helps reduce duplicate fields, keeps naming consistent, and makes reporting cleaner across your workspace. Once you are in the manager, click All Custom Fields. This view lets you see every custom field available, rather than only what is attached to one list or folder. When you are auditing your setup, this is the best place to start because you can quickly spot fields that are outdated, unused, or overlapping. Now click Create New. This is where you can add a new custom field for your workspace. For this walkthrough, select Dropdown. Dropdown fields are great for standardizing categories and statuses that are not covered by your normal task status flow because they guide people to choose from consistent options. After selecting Dropdown, click Cancel. In this case, we are not finishing the creation. The goal is to show you how quickly you can get to the point of creating a field from the manager, then back out if you realize you need to confirm requirements like naming, visibility, or where the field should live before you commit. Finally, click Workspace in the left navigation, then click Personal List, and then click Team Space. This movement helps you reorient between different locations in your workspace, so you can decide where a field should be applied and managed for the right audience and workflow. That covers everything you need to know.